So good day. Today we'll be treating futures trading. We'll be checking out what futures trading is. So we'll check out how to get started, what buy limit is, what is liquidation, what stop loss is, margin, and leverage. So another name for futures trading is leverage. And before we get started, I want you to know that this type of trading is a very, very risky type of trading. It's a very, very risky type of trading, unlike spot trading. You buy and hold, get exercise patience for you to hit your target for some months or for some years before you take profit. This one is movement, it's very, very fast. You can lose your money easily and you can also gain profit easily. All right, so it's just like getting someone's monthly salary in just some hours, just some days, or just some minutes, and losing someone's monthly salary or whatsoever in just some minutes. So futures trading is a very, very risky type of trading, and this is the trading that a lot of people like these top gurus do, that they are called real crypto traders, right? So this is it. This is futures trading, and this is the like quickest way for you to make profit in crypto and also lose in crypto. All right. So I will share my Binance screen. And let's check things out. Okay, so when you come to this place, this market center, we have a lot of coins over here. We have a whole lot of coins over here, right? And with these coins, almost all of them are traded on spot. In fact, all of them are traded on spot trading. But with this futures trading, we don't have all these coins under futures section, right? We have some selected coins under futures trading, and we'll check those out. Not all of them, but like we check out how it works. Okay, so when you come to this section, buy crypto, this is where you buy your crypto, whatever. Trade is where you can check the market statistics. All right, so let's go to futures. Let's get to futures. I think I have to share my phone screen. Yeah, I have to share my phone screen so that it will be easier, because a lot of us will be using our phones to trade. Yeah, so I'll share my phone screen. But before I start sharing my phone screen, let's check out how to get started. Let me quickly give you some brief of how this futures trading is. Okay, so with futures trading, I remember we learned about stable coins. We learned what stable coins is and blah 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 blah. All right. So with futures trading, you will have to get your coin ready, whether BTC, Ethereum, Doge, any coin that you have. All right. So you have to get that coin ready and convert it to a stable coin, and convert it to a stable coin, which is USDT. Don't worry, I will start sharing my screen. We will just get to the practical section. So you convert your coin. If it is BTC, you convert from BTC to USDT. If it is Ethereum, you convert it from Ethereum to USDT. If it is Doge, if it is BNB, you convert on to USDT. The reason why we are converting to USDT is that we want our money to be stagnant. Okay, we don't want our money to be moving up and down whilst we are not even trading. All right, so we will convert our coin to futures. Step one is we will convert our coin to USDT. Secondly, we will transfer the USDT from our spot wallet to our futures wallet. Okay, from spot to futures. I will share my screen so that we get all of these things, but I want us to get the concept before we enter. So we will convert from spot to futures and we will start trading there. Okay. All right. Let's check out what liquidation is. When we say liquidation is just like with the boys, and if you please pay it with Charlie. Make us say if it be 3-1, right? If it be 3-1, you go correct score. If it be 3-1, way maybe you change or you do some 2-1 or like 1-1 or something. They may say your best sport. You understand? Yeah. So if your best spoil, it means it's kind of ashy. So with this liquidation word, and then at the just would take if you be liquidated, it's cash. You understand? So maybe I'll be trading. I can say, oh, I've been liquidated, then liquidated. What's liquidation now? You have to know that no, when you see then ash, in money burn, in money burn. All right. So with liquidation, it's just like with futures trading, we are either buying or selling, buying or selling. So I told you earlier on that another name for buy is long. Okay, another name for buy is what? Another name for buy or long. Okay, and sell is also sell or short. Right. So with this futures trading, is either you are longing or you are shorting. It's either you are buying or you are shorting. So whether in case maybe you are done with these crypto lessons and you go and see a certain signal somewhere else that states buy, maybe buy BTC USDT, it means long BTC USDT, it means you should buy. Okay, and short BTC USDT, it means you should sell. So buy is long and sell is short. Buy long, sell short. Buy long, sell short. All right. So that's it. And maybe you may ask, what is signal? Signal is just let me say a point of view for you to enter the trade. So maybe someone will come and post certain statement that let me use certain statement that okay, buy BTC at you will check all those things. So buy BTC at 55,000 or long BTC, that is signal amount. And near my SOD enter trade, what did I say? One more clue. The person has given you some clue for you to enter the trade. Okay. So let's check out what stop loss is. Stop loss is also it's a measure for you to help you stop losing in the market or stop losing in the position. When I say position means when you enter the market, right? When you enter the market and the market is trading, you are in a position. You are in a position. So position means maybe you've entered. So when someone says I'm in a position, it means the person has entered a certain trade. Okay. So stop loss helps you to reduce your losses as the name goes. Let's check out what margin is. Margin is your capital or your income. Sorry, your capital. Yeah, your capital or the asset that you are using to trade. Okay. And let's check out leverage. Leverage is just like a certain borrowed money given to you by your broker. Who is your broker over here? Your broker is Binance. Your broker is the one that you are using to trade. Your broker is the person is a mediator. Yeah, it's a mediator who stands in between buyers and sellers. So the broker over here is Binance. Binance is the one helping us to do this future trading. Okay, so leverage American language with leverage is just like sika wuni any other amount. It's just like something like an opportunity given to you for you to make what you don't have. Okay, all right, so you just get there and you will get the understanding better. Oh, I left buy limit. Yeah, buy limit. So a limit order, okay, is a type of order that allows traders to purchase or sell cryptocurrency at a specific price or better. Like in case you want to buy or long BTC, buy limit or sell limit or whatsoever, helps you to state the market price that you want to enter the position. Okay, let me share my screen. Let me share my phone screen. Okay. All right. So here is Binance on our phones. Yes, Binance on our phones, right? When you log into your phone, I already told you that the beginners, like I think what actually Binance are, just go to the left side and click on that button. It will take you to the pro. This is this preface is for beginners, like as we know, will be a name the obey and as we decide. So just tap here and it will send you to the pro. Okay, to the Binance Pro. So now we are all pro Binance users because at least we know this interface, this buttons, what it means. All right, so let's get to futures. Let's get to futures. Okay. All right, let me click back. All right. So after depositing your BTC or your whatsoever that you want to deposit, after depositing the BTC, you convert it. Okay. You convert it. What should I even convert? Just an example. I think I have to. Yeah, I have to. I have to on this one. Yeah, so convert those to USDT. So from those to USDT, okay, confirm it and state the amount that you, okay, so let me use all my Doge, okay, let me use all my Doge. All right, so preview conversion, so $47 or 47 USDT, convert. All right, thank you. So we've successfully converted our Doge to USDT, Doge to USDT. All right, so now what we are going to do is we are going to transfer our USDT. All right, so we are going to convert our Doge, sorry, we've already converted. So we are going to transfer our USDT to from spot. Right now it's a spot. Let's check my spot wallet. Right now it's a spot. You can see Doge. You can see the USDT over here. Okay, so you have to simply tap on the transfer, and I hope you can all see from spot to cross margin. Tap on the cross margin. We are not trading at cross margin. So tap on the cross margin and select USDM features. USDM features. Patrol video yeah. For phone, yes, some that is be what I say. Not check inside your phones and try do some particles. So say you could do your fingertips. You will so say at least by the end of this courses, also at least you can just make some coins on your laptop or your phone. Okay. All right. So USDT, okay. USDT max. All right. So we are transferring our USDT from spot to futures. Confirm transfer. Sorry. Confirm transfer. Let's go to our futures and check whether it's there or not. All right. So I hope we can all see this side. I don't know if you can see this, the mouse cursor. All right, so I hope you can see just what if see when 47.48 USDT. That's our current balance. Okay, that's our current balance. All right. Okay. So that's it. Okay, let's see what much we are transfers can I be good futures. Let's check out our next step. To see how you transfer to features. What are we going to do? Then what do I even mean over here? Let me explain the basics that I told you earlier on. What's happening? Okay. All right. Okay. Let's check out this picture. So when you enter position, okay, when you enter position, when you signal, when can now enter position, yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. We can see liquidation over here. We can see margin. We can see P&L. We can see size. We can see entry, market price. We'll check all of this. Okay. So it's either you are buying or you are selling, as I said earlier on. It's either you are buying or you are selling. So this B symbol that we see over here means the person is buying. The person is buying. When it's green, it means the person is buying. When it's red, when this is red or S, it means the person is selling. Okay. All right. So I said earlier on that margin is the asset or the capital that you are using to enter the trade or position. Sikana udi remuno, that's your margin. Sikana udi be remuno, that's your margin. So as we checked on my phone, sikana udi remuno $47. Okay, so you check your margin about that side, about that side. If we are maybe I'm a live trade, so we'll see how it will go. Okay, so margin is the money that the person has entered the position with. Liquidation. Okay, so the person is buying, right? Whenever you are buying, you're expecting the pump. Whenever you are longing or buying, you're expecting the price to go up. So this side, the person is trading BNB. Binance token, the Binance token BNB. Okay, so the person is trading BNB and the market price is currently at 329.180. 329.180. So that's the current market price at which the person is currently trading in. Is currently trading in. Okay. Let's check out what entry price is. Entry price is the market price at which the person entered the position or entered the trade. Okay, so with the 315.421 over here, it means you can enter market when the price was 315.421 and the person is longing or buying. When you are longing or buying, as I said earlier on, it means you are expecting a pump. Okay, you're expecting a pump, or per se a cost. Okay, so 315.421 means you are expecting the pump which I say I say price in a cost. Do you understand? Okay, and to enter at this time or enter in a market price at this time, let's check out the current market price so the current market price you want to time will take a screenshot, and I think this is a screenshot, but I think I do have critical also. Yeah. So this is the market price at which you see right now, the current market price with the person be inside as the person to the screenshot. Okay. So the 329, he bought all long BNB at 315 and now it has gone up to 329.180, meaning the market has moved up, meaning his prediction is right, meaning his analysis is right, meaning whatsoever news that he used to enter the position is a good news. Okay, it's a good news, or his analysis was right, or his predictions was perfect. Okay, and you check here normal, even man will say 315 to 329 is a better improvement. Okay, and then check what liquidation is. When we check this liquidation 311.459 that we see right here, it means that hey, Binance will tell you that hey, you are long in right. So liquidation price just means that when the market price falls from 329.180 to 311.459, you've been liquidated. Liquidation means that the kind of money shit. Into $60 margin plus profit when you be I hope you get that. That's what liquidation means. That's what liquidation means. You enter at 315 and Binance will tell you that hey, your liquidation price is at 311.59. It is a current market price and drop it from 329.180 to 311.59. Just that's why I said that this type of trading is a very, very risky type of trading. If you don't get hurt, make you not enter the site. So go and bro, you enter the site. If you not say, hey, Charlie, your school fees ban, your chop money ban, your everything ban. So this type of trading, they trade plus money where you feel lose, money where you feel lose, money that you can afford to lose. With the money where we take enter this position. If you know, say your last money, make you not enter this site, Charlie, it's off. Yeah, a bit. All right. Let's check out what PNL is. Let's check out what PNL is. PNL means your profit and loss. So P means profit, N means N, and L means loss. All right. So profit and loss. So when we check over here, we can see 142.08, 142.08, meaning the person has made profit of $142.08. Okay, $142.08. Or with $60. So the person just entered with $60. The person entered with $60. We will make $142. $142 we see over here, you know, and carry home and to 142 plus. I can 60 and then $180 in what making. And then I say, so what $60 plus is P&L, profit and loss, I'm making profit of $142. 142 is aside his margin, and the margin cry, and come home into close position, crowd, which might taking off margin in your now $180. Okay. Let's check out this 45x that we see here. We talked about leverage. The currency leverage is they like someone borrow you money where you give you advance where you chop for inside small, so you understand. So the Binance give them Binance leverage is from 1x to 125x, meaning you can multiply or make profit like times 150 times 45 with your margin. You understand? So this margin, you go talk say, hey, if margin this one, then why say you go use 125x? Please, if you not say the higher your margin, the higher risk you are taking. The higher risk you are taking. You see the 45x over here now. That's why the person liquidation the banker in entry price into Obi or useful. I'm going to say 20x liquidation price in the way you do 45x liquidation price. Any the same because 45x we're not just in the any break. But so next can be break. Internal liquidation price a ban to be able to say 25x and that's 20x or 10x or 15x. Liquidation price with mark will be 285 and I'm the bit man so expect to cry. So that's the meaning. This is what Binance trading, future trading is about. It's very, very, very interesting. Just enter the market, make profit, and leave. But with me, I enter market, so but if you are not, the always say if you're not a professional trader, don't enter this market because you go burn your money, bro. You go burn your money. All right. I think time we are soon. I think I will have to look sharp. Let me open maybe some examples for you to see. Okay, some examples. So this one, the margin is 38. Entered so far, he has made $2.4 profit, still counting. Let's check out this one. This one, the position, the margin is $60. He or she has made, let's say, $2 profit so far. This is his liquidation. Okay, this is his liquidation. The price in between happening. The person has made. I think this is the one where we watched earlier. This one to is entry price is 1.49428. Liquidation say 135. So meaning she can be pim hand bra or Lucy. I don't want to make a profit of. So that's it. This is what futures trading is about. This is what futures trading is about. Yeah. So I think this is my screenshot. So when you enter the position, you can just show off, say, hey, I've made 50 plus 52.30 profit to then you say, yeah, as you to Charlie day inside. Also the trade some, also they make some cool cash with yourself, bro. Okay, so that's it. If you want to get that kind of screenshot, you just paste on this button that you know go see for your Binance inside. Okay, let me give you an example of what Signal is. I always post Signal in this group. Okay, this is the group that those who are serious, those you that are watching this video, you may enter because this is a mentorship group. Okay, this is my mentors group. You get signals daily, you get the news, what is going on up and down. Yeah, so those who are serious will surely enter this group. Okay. All right, all right. Charlie, where is Cindy? Okay. All right, so I posted a signal and stated long IOATA. IOA is a certain coin, stroke USDT. So we've learned about currency pairs. This is our base and this is our quote currency. I will not get back to that side. Okay, so entry is 0.8600, meaning you have to enter at this particular position, at this particular point. Okay, when we go to Binance, you can see the buy limit and whatsoever that you can simply copy and paste this there and use 10x to 25x leverage. So meaning you can use leverage between these sides. I didn't give any take profits. I didn't give any TPs over here. And SL was open, which is stop loss, meaning you can bet him now. So it was a confident trade that I gave. I've given a lot of signals over here. Why can't I see this thing? Yes, yeah. Okay. All right. So long AXS through USDT, meaning entries 76, 78, meaning you can enter within these numbers. And TP means take profit. So we will check it on my Binance screen again. Take profit at 80 market price, take profit at 82, TP3, 84, SL none. SL means stop loss. So when you see SL none, it means there is no need for you to enter SL, but for you to do proper risk management, Charlie, you for enter your SL of Charlie. You don't lose all your money, stop loss. All right. All right. All right. So this is what the buy limit means. Okay. The buy limit where it. I hope you can see limit, post only, market, stop limit, and blah blah blah. All right, so we're using limit. So with this, all right. So I hope you can all see we are trading BTC USDT, right? And maybe I've given a signal that's long BTC at 54,500. So you come and enter into by 54. 54,500. Okay, you will enter it over here, 54,500, right? And you choose whether you want to use uh, all your money or not. Okay, whether you want to use all your money or not. So maybe you want to use 50% of your money, you select 50 or whatsoever. So we are using all of our money. You enter the TP that was given. So the TP, the take profit, maybe I've written the signal states that maybe set TP to TP, maybe TP1 at 55,200. Okay, and stop loss at 51,100. The reason why I just put it number is that you see with entry we are buying, so we are expecting it a pump. So we enter below the market price, believe that the market will get back to 4,500. So we enter the market price and our TP, because we are long, we are expecting a pump. So our TP is above the current market price. Our TP must be above our entry. Okay. So when you are selling off or when you are shorting, your TP will be below your entry because you're expecting a dump. So because you're expecting a pump, our TP is at 55,000, which is above our entry price. Okay, and our stop loss is at 51,000. 51,000 means here is that when the market gets down and we are losing, and when the market gets to 51,000, hey, market close. Okay, market close. We are giving the market commands that when it gets 51,000, it should close automatically, and your broker will close it for you because one person will lose, baby. You don't want to lose. Okay, so let's get to the sell. Let's get to the sell. When we get to sell, it means we are expecting a dump. First market in the form. So our entry may be at entry country. Let's say 55,000, 55,200. Okay, 55,200. Because we are expecting a dump, our take profit will be around entry is 55, so our take profit will be around maybe 54,000. So 55,000 to 54,000, meaning we are expecting a dump. We're expecting the price to go down. That is why our take profit is at 54,400 at the sell section. So we are selling, we are expecting a dump, or we are expecting the market to go down. Okay, and our stop loss will be around 57,000. 57,000. Okay, 57,000, meaning when the coin decides not to follow our command or our prediction and it goes up, when the market gets to 57,000, hey, Binance, close my position because I'm losing a lot. I was expecting a dump and it seems it is selling. So close my position at 56,000 or 57,000. Okay, you don't want to lose too much, so you set a stop loss. You will set a stop loss. All right, so this is what futures trading is all about. This is what futures trading is all about. I think I've explained what stop loss is. Martin, yeah. We will check out how to enter the market. How do you do this analysis yourself? And when do you see how can you spot the market and see, okay, this is the good time for me to enter or this is the bad time for me to enter? That will be in our next lessons. We check out what candlestick is. We check out how to spot market trends, best news for crypto. Okay, best news sites like websites for crypto and a whole lot. We'll be checking technical analysis and fundamental analysis all together. Let me just enter. Let me try. I think my zone time is up. It may end soon, but let me just try and enter. We are long. Let me buy. Okay, let me buy. Okay, let me buy its current market price. This is just a demo. A demo, so all right, so this is just a demo. Okay, I'm just trying to demonstrate to you how The market move. I will not set any TP or anything. Let me just buy. Let's check out something. Okay. All right, so I'm in position right now. Hey, what if I 5x? Hey, let me close it, Charlie. I'm not check. When I lose $2. Hey, I'm not check my cross. Okay, so we can see cross over here, we can see isolated over here. Cross means that when you enter, you are entering with all your hey. Ayokumi. I've just lost $7 right now. So with cross and isolated, meaning with the cross just means that when you are entering the market, you are entering with all your money, you are entering with everything that you have, your assets. Okay, and the isolated means you are losing. When you are losing only what you entered, the margin that you entered with, the margin that you entered with. Beg if you know the bar, I make tired, like I'm not double why. So cross, you are entering with everything that you have, and with isolated, when you are losing with only the margin that you entered with cross. Okay, so it's always advisable for you to use the isolated because you don't want to lose everything in your account. And with the leverage, yeah, with the leverage.
It's 17 hours.
Leverage. With the leverage, you can choose the leverage that you like. We have 10x, 78, then. So the position that I just entered, it was at 125x. I didn't check. That's why I lose $7 just right now. I don't manage my risks, Charlie. So the position for day, mostly I use 10, 15, 20. Highest I use so far, I check at 30. So make it day 15 inside, 20 inside. Yeah, you are cool to go. You are cool to enter, bro. Yeah, let me enter. Forget my $7, but I don't forget my ass like that. Let me enter at the spot. Let me enter. So I think that's all. That is what we are supposed to know in futures trading. That is what we are supposed to know in futures trading. When you watch this video and you don't understand anything, please ask questions in the group chat. Okay, ask questions in the group chat. Ask questions in the group chat and you will be answered. You will be answered. Okay, you'll be answered. Let me enter because I didn't drop my ass right now to take my money back. Please enter a valid number. Okay. Yes, I've entered the position. I've created an order. This is an open order. So when market hits 55,500, it will enter automatically. Okay, to enter automatically, and it will take profit at the triggered price, which is 51,100. And I know stop loss. Okay, so the market is currently, my position is currently on pending because the market hasn't hit my buy limit. My buy limit is at 54,500. Okay, so this is what futures trading is all about. It's a bit complicated. When I am patrol, I've explained everything to you over here. Sit down, watch this video, watch it over and over again. Watch it over and over again, and you will understand what futures trading is all about. If you have any questions, please ask in the group and you will be answered. Thank you very much. And maybe if you are watching this on YouTube, I will drop the class group link and you can join. Okay, you can simply join it at the present. It's just a discussion group for crypto and what we are learning over here. So I'll end the class here. See you next time. Bye.